Hi everyone, it's Kimberly with Getaway Today. Thank you so much for finding us here on YouTube. Today I wanted to give you a room tour. I just checked into my hotel. I'm staying at the Bahia Resort Hotel in San Diego. It's right on Mission Bay, and I am staying in a Bayview Studio Suite. So the Bahia Resort has a number of room types, and I wanted to show you this one since I just checked in. So I just barely walked in the door, like you're facing what you see when I walk in the door. And then to this side we have the bathroom, and you'll see right behind me there is a vanity, which I love having the vanity separate from the bathroom so you can have two people getting ready in the morning. And then this is the bathroom area. So you've got the shower tub combo and then just a little pedestal sink, but again, you don't really have a lot of counter space in there because most of your counter space is out here on the vanity area. So then right across from the bathroom is this kitchen, and it's mini, but it has everything you could use or you could need. So you've got a mini freezer, fridge, you've got a stovetop and an oven, which is incredibly rare for hotels that offer a kitchen space. Then you've got all of the utensils you could need, and then on this side you have the little sink and the microwave. So really convenient if you're having a family stay especially. Then back in here is the bedroom area, and there is a little bar stool, little bar and some bar stools there, and then you've got, that is a pull-out sofa bed, a little coffee table, a little dinette table right there, and then behind me are the two double beds. And there are a number of other, again, room types here, but this particular Bayview Studio Suite is the two double beds. There are some that have the one king as well. And then behind me you have the flat screen TV, and then you've got your dresser that it's on for storage space, and then you have the closet with the full length mirrors. And then, dun, 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 why you really want to stay in the Bayview Studio Suite is look at that view. Again, we are on Mission Bay, and it is just stunning. So you can see the marina right across. There's somebody doing something out there on that side. I don't know if you can tell what's going on out there. I can't tell what's going on out there. But the Bahia is a great choice for your San Diego hotel. They are for your San Diego vacation. They have a lot of amenities here. My favorite is the fact that they have a private beach. So, and it's on the bay, so there are no waves. And they have cabanas that are free, first come, first serve. So a lot of hotels you go to will charge by the hour or even by the day for those. They're completely complimentary to Bahia Resort guests. Again, it's just first come, first serve. So if you're here during a busy time, I recommend getting out as soon as possible. If you're here during the off season like I am, you probably have a pretty good chance of getting one no matter what time you go out. They also have free cruises on the Bahia Belle that goes back and forth to their sister property, the Catamaran Resort Hotel, which is another great hotel. And that hotel is right across the street. So it's right across the street from Mission Beach, but then they also have, they're located on Mission Bay as well. So you've got that protected beach area that's so fantastic to use for the hotel guests. Another thing that I really like about the Bahia specifically is they have two rescue seals that live here. So right up front of the hotel, in front of the lobby, there are two seals that are rescues from SeaWorld. SeaWorld comes and takes care of them. They get fed every day at 9 and 2, so it's really fun to be able to go out there and watch the feeding time. And again, it's just a great hotel in a perfect location, so nice for your San Diego vacation. And again, we always offer the very best rates and the best customer service with Getaway Today. So you can either find these on getawaytoday.com, and we will link you below to the special so you can book this hotel, and also to this room. We'll kind of link you to all of the room types that we offer at the Bahia down below. But you can also always call our agents at 855-GETAWAY. Our agents, most of them have stayed here if they haven't at least seen it, and we love helping you figure out the perfect hotel, the perfect attractions for your San Diego vacation, or any of your vacation needs. We just love being your travel experts. So thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel today. Be sure to check every Monday for new videos and tips and tricks for your vacation. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.